Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Residents of Ozoro town, headquarters of Isoko North local government area of Delta State, have drawn the attention of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc) to some uncompleted projects it awarded some years ago in the area. Convinced that the abandoned projects are intended to improve their lots, they call on the Nddc to complete such projects and ensure their utilization without any further delay.
Ozoro, the largest town in Isoko land, is headquarters of Isoko North local government area of Delta State and is inhabited by approximately 200,000 persons. In 2013, the Nddc awarded a project to build a skills acquisition center to benefit youths of the town who are largely unemployed. The project was abandoned by the contractor, who later resurfaced in June last year. Chairman of Ozoro Project Monitoring Committee, Dr. Mike Enahoro, told our crew that after making substantial progress on the project, the contractor was nowhere to be found again.
We did a petition, it was at this stage. But now, after this, they came and started doing some work here. Immediately we wrote that is when the federal, Mr. President came out with the idea of forensic audit. That as a result of that fear, that they came. But now you see they have relaxed.
About 10 years ago, the Nddc awarded a project for the construction of a 50-bed space hospital in Ozoro town, in line with its mandate to improve quality of life in the Niger Delta. To the dismay of its intended beneficiaries, the project remains uncompleted till date. Equally worrisome for residents of Ozoro town is the abandoned state of a project awarded by the Nddc for the construction of 28 kilometers of internal roads to link up communities and foster economic development in the area.
I would like my Nddc help us do the road because if rain fall, we know they fit pass this road at all. Now die.
But because the road is not good, especially the rainy season, whereby even the farmers they cannot pass through that road with their motorcycle or their bicycles. So it's very difficult. So if Nddc could do this to this community, we really appreciate it.
The Delta State University of Science and Technology, Ozoro, plays host to two projects awarded sometime in 2012 by the Nddc, a twin lecture theatre and ICT center. When contacted, Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Jacob Snaps Obore, said it would be highly appreciated if the Nddc could facilitate their completion and ensure that they are put into use.
I want to use this medium to make appeal to the authorities of Nddc to see how they can put this project, how we can put this project to use on completion, and also supply us with the needed equipment. We'll be very, very grateful to Nddc.
Under the leadership of its interim administrator, Dr. Effiong Akwa, the Nddc last year commenced the process of completing key projects abandoned at various times, leading to completion of its corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, a 1,050-bed space hostel at the University of Uyo, Base 6 of the Nigerian Police Special Protection Unit at Omagwa in Ikwere local government area of Rivers State, and several other projects in the Niger Delta. It is on this note that residents of Ozoro are calling on the Nddc to earmark abandoned projects in their domain for completion, just as it has done with similar projects in other communities.
Inside the Niger Delta,